Okay, welcome back. What I want to look at today is fractions, okay? And what I want to make sure is that we all can understand fractions. So what I've done is we have a grid here, okay? And you can see a grid, okay? Now, the measurements from here to here is the same as it is from here to here, okay? You can then see that we've simply split it up into sections. Now, we've split this into halves, thirds, quarters, 1/6, 8ths, 9ths, 10ths, and 12ths. Okay? Now, we can see that a quarter is less than a third. We can also see that 1/6 is less than a quarter. We can see that 1/8 is less than 1/6. We can see that 1/9 is less than 1/8. We can see that 1/10 is less than 1/9. And we can see that 1/12 is less than 1/10. Okay, I lost my way there for a moment, forgive me. Okay, right. Now, here is a fraction grid. We can use it to compare the sizes of different fractions. Use the grid to answer all the following questions. Okay, let's just go up a little bit more. Right here, which is bigger, a quarter or a 9th? Now, if you go back to your grid, you can see that a quarter is obviously bigger than a 9th, okay? And these are questions for you to answer and to work out, okay, for yourselves. And again, still on fractions, okay? Now, try and draw these diagram blocks. Draw each diagram right by the diagram the fraction shaded, okay? So you actually need to do this for yourselves, okay? Okay, there you are, okay? And here we have equivalent fractions. You can see that a half is equal to 2/4. Okay. Again, write them out, draw the diagram out for yourselves, do the work, get used to utilizing this for your own benefit, okay? It's a very useful thing to know. And you'll see that I've done some other work on fractions previously as well. So look for those in the playlist and so forth, because this will go into the playlist for maths. And you should be able to find the information there in regards to fractions in maths as well, okay? Okay, here we are, and here we have simply cancelling down. Now, if we cancelling down, what we're looking at, if we have 24 over 50, for instance, equal 12 over 25, what did we divide by? We have divided by 2, okay? So when you're cancelling down, you're looking for a number that will go into the top and bottom half of your initial equation, okay? So you find a number that will divide into the top and bottom equally. That allows you then to bring it down into its lowest form, okay? Again, draw these out for yourselves, write out the work, okay? Here we have a star maze. Now, some of you are quite good at this. So here, exercise your brain. See what you can, you go in and you're coming out. So see what your fractions are that you need to equate in order to make your way out. Use the information. Treat it as a challenge, okay? Now remember, you can pause the video, okay? And you can see it for yourselves, okay? Here we have adding and subtraction of fractions, and here, okay? Okay, so here you can see that the fraction that's black here is 1/3, okay? The fraction that's black here is 1/4. The fraction that's black here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2 is 3/8. 3/8? Yes, 3/8. Okay? You can see the fraction that's black here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3/4. Okay? So that's the way you then begin to complete your work. Okay? Get to know it. This will allow you to comprehend math a lot easier than you may realize. Okay? And I've made them big so you don't have to strain your eyes to see them either. Okay? Mixed numbers or improper fractions. Okay? So this amount can be written as a mixed number. That means whole numbers and fractions. This would be 3 1/4. It could also be written as an improper fraction. That means a top-heavy fraction. This would be 7/2. Okay? And we get 7/2 by multiplying 2 times 3, 6, plus 1 would be 7/2. Okay? Again, I will repeat that. You'll get 7/2 by times in 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Therefore, you'll write as 7/2. That becomes the top heavy fraction. Okay. Let me just make a little adjustment to here, see if in case it's gone too big, to make sure I can get everything in. Okay, no, that's fine. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, that's good. Just bring it back up a bit. Okay. And just check that I'm not. Okay, it is there. Sorry, it got on a little bit, and we can be in. Yes, we should be in shot. Okay, right? Yes, we're in shot. Thank you. Okay, good. Now draw these out. Okay, you need to draw them out for yourself so you can understand. It helps you understanding. Now, what your brain writes down, it does not forget. Okay. And here's a lot of exercises for you to do as well. Get into it. Now remember, you can pause the video, okay? And you can make it your own and work from it from that stage. But write the work out. And here we have a fraction grid, okay, that you can begin to use for yourselves. So here we will be looking at what is half of 720. Obviously that would be, tell me, I'm waiting, 350 plus 10, 360. Okay. Okay, so that would be 360 grams in that case. Here you're looking for the, if that's a half, what would be the whole number? Obviously 600 centimeters. Okay. Here, if that's a quarter, what would be a half? Double that. What would be the whole? Double that and get your answer there. Okay. That's the process you would apply in solving this question. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, I'm going to stop there now, okay? But you should have plenty to get on with, okay? And here we have percentages, okay? And look at how they have applied the process of finding a percentage. Apply it, write it out, get used to it, get it done for yourselves, okay? Okay. Now I'm just going to glance through this. Shouldn't be a problem for you to do that, okay? So similar worksheet before, okay? Now use graph paper, square paper if you can to do this, get this done, okay? It will help you tremendously. Now practice, practice, practice makes perfect. So practice, practice, practice. Okay. Okay, thank you. I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.